I will be the most powerful Jedi ever.
Is it possible to learn this power? I shouldn't have done that. It's not the Jedi way. Don't ask me to do that.
You underestimate my power!
I want more. I've been arrogant, and I apologize. The Jedi turned against me. Don't you turn against me?
It's not fair.
It's unfair. Buzz droids. How can you do this?
May the Force be with you.
You're shorter than I expected.
If you're suffering as much as I am, please tell me.
I've given up trying to argue with you.
Why are you asking this of me? What did you say?
What have I done?
Yes. No. And?
Why?
What do you mean? I understand.
Don't worry. Intoxicating.
Liar!